Good afternoon. Welcome to our two-bedroom model unit of Mira. Approximately 53 square meters. So this is our model unit. Guys, malinis po, mabango, napakaganda. This is our smart device. So asa siyang app na pwede natin gamitin kung kahit nasa man tayo, pwede natin utusan yung app natin mag-open yung door, yung lights, at kung ano pa pong equipments dyan na sakop dun sa smart device po natin. So this will be the kitchen. Okay. All is included, not appliances lang ho. So, yan sir. So, this is another device. Yung pwede natin kausapin yung guard sa ground floor or admin. So, yes. So, this is our comfort room. Again, di po kasama yung appliances but the yung finishing is already included. This is the one bedroom. I can send the inclusion if ever.